In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen share a live screen on TikTok. So basically, if you want to share it and you have an iPhone, the easiest way to do it is that you go to this center and then you click this icon that's on the right side where you can portrait lock your thing, and you click screen mirroring. And then you basically choose to who you want it to screen mirror it to. Because when you do that, everything that you see on the screen, it will be visible on their end as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem in the comments below and I'll help you out.